99% of your internet traffic travels through cables thinner than a garden hose lying on the ocean floor, and they're more fragile than you think. What if I told you that every email you send and every video you watch travels through a hidden world beneath the waves? While we think of the internet as wireless, 99% of all intercontinental data traffic flows through underwater cables stretching across ocean floors. These submarine fiber optic cables, often no thicker than a garden hose, form the invisible backbone of our digital world. Today, we're diving deep into this underwater internet infrastructure that keeps our modern world connected. So stick around, you're about to discover one of humanity's most remarkable hidden achievements. The massive scale. Over 600 active submarine cable systems span approximately 1.48 million kilometers worldwide, enough cable to circle the Earth more than 37 times. These cables create a vast web connecting continents, from short 131-kilometer links between Ireland and the UK to massive 20,000-kilometer systems spanning the Pacific. Engineering marvels. Modern submarine cables are designed to operate for 25 years in crushing ocean depths. Each contains ultra-pure glass fibers thinner than human hair that transmit data using light signals. The manufacturing process starts with silica sand melted at 1,700 degrees Celsius, then encased in multiple protective layers including steel wire and pressure-resistant jackets. Repeaters, which are underwater amplifiers spaced every 70 to 100 kilometers, boost signals using up to 10,000 volts of power carried within the cable itself, creating a self-contained system operating in complete darkness thousands of meters below. Installation challenges. Cable installation requires specialized ships and over a year of planning. Ships use sonar to map seabeds, avoiding obstacles like shipwrecks and fault zones. Cable-laying vessels deploy cable at 10 kilometers per hour, burying it in shallow waters using high-pressure water jets while letting it rest on deep ocean floors. The precision is extraordinary. Ships use GPS and thrusters to maintain exact positioning, even in challenging weather conditions. Constant threats. Despite robust construction, 200 cable faults occur globally each year. Fishing activities and ship anchors cause 86% of all damage. The 1929 Newfoundland earthquake broke 12 transatlantic cables simultaneously, while recent attacks by Yemen's Houthi rebels damaged Red Sea infrastructure. Surprisingly, sharks also pose a threat. Attracted to electromagnetic fields, they occasionally bite through protective sheathing, forcing companies like Google to use Kevlar-like materials for protection. Emergency repairs. When cables break, 22 dedicated repair vessels worldwide mobilize within hours. Repair crews use optical measurements to pinpoint faults within meters along thousands of kilometers of cable. The process involves grappling for damaged cables, cutting out broken sections, and splicing in new segments using remotely operated vehicles for deep-sea work. Repairs take 3 to 4 weeks and cost $500,000 to $1 million per incident. Economic importance. $9.47 trillion in daily financial transactions flow through these cables, making them critical to the global economy. Cable outages cost approximately $3 million each, with $10 billion projected investment in new cables from 2023 to 2025. However, two-thirds of maintenance ships will reach end of life by 2040, creating potential maintenance crises. The strategic importance has made cables targets for state actors, raising concerns about hybrid warfare and deliberate sabotage. Our connected future. While satellites carry less than 1% of intercontinental data traffic, these underwater cables quietly handle the vast majority, enabling everything from international business to video calls across oceans. The next time you send an email to another continent, remember the remarkable engineering achievement lying silently on ocean floors. Thin strands of glass carrying light signals at incredible speeds through the crushing darkness, connecting humanity in ways that would have seemed magical just generations ago. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey beneath the waves to explore the hidden infrastructure that powers our connected world. If you found this deep dive into underwater internet cables fascinating, please hit that like button to help more people discover these amazing engineering marvels. And make sure to subscribe for more mind-blowing technology stories. See you next time.